Good morning, standard 9 students. Today I am going to solve some more question from this rectilinear figure 8. The question, well, proving part in rectilinear figure, whether we have to prove that the diagonals of the rectangles are equal, diagonals of rhombus are intersect at 90 degree. All these cases you have to take the help of congruency of a triangle. One example I will show you. This is rectangle ABC, given rectangle. We have to prove that the diagonals of rectangles are equal. You know the property. Diagonals of rectangle are equal, but we have to prove the diagonals of rectangles are equal. So AC is one of the diagonal, BD another diagonal. Right? We have to prove equal. How will prove? In triangle ABC and in triangle ABC. Right? Taking this triangle ABC and ABC, these two triangles. What are equal? AD equal to BC. AD equal to BC. Why? Opposite sides of parallelograms are equal and parallel. So rectangle is also parallelogram. So their opposite side AD will be equal to BC. Right? Region will be like opposite sides are equal. Then this angle ABC will be equal to angle this angle ABC 90 degree. Because given rectangle, ABCD is given rectangle, and you know in rectangle each angle is 90 degree. So this is 90, this is also 90. Then AB equal to DC. Again, why to report the digit? Opposite sides of rectangle say or parallelogram are equal. Hence, triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADC by SAS. When congruent, then AC will be equal to BD by CPC. Right? So thus we prove that the diagonals of rectangle are equal. Same way, you have to prove that the diagonals of a square or rhombus intersect at 90 degree. Same way, you have to prove that the diagonals bisect the vertex angle in a square and rhombus. All these properties, when you have to prove, you have to take the help of congruency of a triangle. This one, rhombus given 4x minus 4, this is 3x plus 2, this angle is given 60 degree, we have to find the value, and this is given y minus 1, we have to find the value of x and y. Right? So x and y value we have to find, we will take the help of property of the rhombus. Right? A plus trigonometry. We can take the help of trigonometry also. Other method is also there, but when you will take the trigonometry one, it will become very easy to give the answer because you know the trigonometry applicable in right angle triangle. So wherever right angle triangle is there and angular sides are given, we can use the trigonometric formula. So first of all, come to the property of the rhombus. What? All sides of the rhombus are equal. These sides are equal to this side, equal to this side, equal to this side, equal to this side. And it is given rhombus. So all sides will be equal. It means minus 4 will be equal to 3x plus 2 because x are equal. So we get x is equal to 6. See whether actually it is equal or not. Now put the value of x. 4 into 6 minus 4. 24 minus 4 means 20. 3 into 6 plus 2 means 20. This is 20. This is also 20. Prove that this is wrong verse. Right. So we have value of x. Now we have to find the value of y. So come to the again the property of the purpose. Diagonal bisect the vertex angle. So this vertex angle, this angle is given 60. So this is a diagonal. It will bisect this angle. This will be 30 degree and this is also 30 degree. Also, the diagonal intersect at 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Now what type of figure? This figure. This figure is, this is 90, this is 20, this is 30 degree. We have to find this length. Suppose it is J. So when we take this angle, then this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, this is this. So this one sin 30, angle given sin 30 degree, perpendicular J, hypotenuse 20, sin 30 1 by 2, Z by 20, 10 means Z is equal to 10. So this is 10. Now you know again property. The diagonal bisect each other. Right? The diagonal bisect each other means this one is 10. It means this is also 10. What is the total length? 10 plus 10, 20. 20 is equal to y minus 1. Means y is equal to 29. 8. So you can see we are proving or solving the question by using the property of the parallelogram, and when we have to prove the property, we are taking the help of congruency of a triangle. Another question see here. This given 140 60. This is diagonal and this is given rectangle. Right? A B C D given rectangle. A B C D given rectangle. This is O. Then we have to find this value AOQ. Right? So we will use the same property of the rectangle. What is the property of the rectangle? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Each angle is 90 degree. Diagonals of rectangles are equal. Diagonal bisected. Is it? So this total angle will be 180. So out of 180, this angle is given 146. So what is the measure of this angle? So 180 minus 146, that is 34 degree. So this angle is 34 degree. Right? Now, as we know, the diagonals of rectangles are equal, and also diagonals bisect each other. It is equal, bisect each other. Means OC and OD are equal. Hey. Now come to the triangle DOC. This is triangle in which two sides are equal. When two sides are equal, their opposite angle will be also equal. So this is 34 means this angle is also 34. Right? Now what is the value of this angle? Third angle of a triangle. So 34, 34, 68. So third angle will be 180 minus 68 to 112. Right? And this angle we have to find angle AOB. this is 112, this is also 112 degree. 112 degree. Right. So you can see by using the property itself, I am solving the question of the quadrant. You have to solve 5-6 questions from the exercise. Then next class, this chapter will be completed. Then I will start the new chapter. Thank you very much.